Random math problem number 104. So ang question na ito ay ipiniem sa akin. Kaya kung meron kayong mga math question, ipm nyo lang po ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. Or comment kayo sa video na ito. Okay, so a factory produces 1,200 units of product in 8 hours with 10 workers. If the factory wants to produce 1,800 units in 6 hours, how many workers are needed assuming all workers work at the same rate? Okay, so post the video and try nyo munang sagutan. Ang mga choices natin ay 20, 25, 30, and 35. Okay, so sagutan na natin. So itong ganitong type ng problem, ito ay work problem pero tatluhan. Meron tayo ditong produces 1,200 units tapos yung time natin 8 hours and then yung number of workers ay 10. Okay, so kapag ganitong tatluhan na work problem, ang ginagamit kong formula dito ay work over men times time. Okay? So ito lang ang formula na ginagamit ko dito. Ginagawa ko lang itong ratio. So ginagawa ko dyan W sub 1 para dun sa una, work, and then M sub 1 for yung men, and then times T sub 1. I-prepare natin yan dun sa pangalawang set. So yung pangalawang set, W sub 2. So yun yung work, and then M sub 2 times T sub 2. Okay, so ito lang ang shortcut na formula para sa ganitong type ng work problem na merong given na men, tapos time, tsaka yung work. Okay, so iset up lang natin yung table para malinaw. So a factory produces 1,200 units. Ito yung work, yung 1,200 units. Okay, so lagay natin yan yung work. So 1,200 units. And then we have in 8 hours with 10 workers. So 8 hours, ito yung time. So yung time, we have 8 hours. And then itong 10 workers, ito yung men. Okay? So yung number of men, we have 10 workers. Then dun sa pangalawang triple natin, if the factory wants to produce 1,800 units. So yun yung work, yung 1,800 units. And then we have 6 hours. So we have 6 hours and the unknown is the number of men. How many workers? So how many workers? So ito yung hinahanap natin, yung number of men. Lagyan natin ng variable, let's say n. Okay? So ito nga palang formula pwedeng mabaligtad. Itong m sub 1 times t sub 1 pwedeng nasa numerator, itong w sub 1 nasa denominator. Pero syempre ito rin mababago din. Yung m sub 2 times t sub 2 ilalagay nyo rin sa numerator tapos yung W sub 2 nasa denominator naman. Okay? So okay lang magkabaligtad yan. Basta magka-partner dapat. Yung work nasa taas and then yung men and then yung times time nasa baba. Okay? So i-set up natin, i-substitute lang natin yung mga given. Work is 1,200, W sub 1 over time times men or men times time. So we have 10 times 8. Okay? So we have 10 times 8 equals W sub 2. So we have 1,800 over M sub 2 times T sub 2. So we have N times 6. Okay, so we have N times 6. So now we just cross multiply, find the value of N. Okay, so cross multiply. So therefore we have 6 times N times 1,200. 6 times N times 1,200 equals, so cross multiply. So we have 10 times 8 times 1,800. So 10 times 8 times 1,800. So we will use cancellation for this. To solve the value of n, divide both sides by 6 times 1,200. So that we can cancel 6, we can cancel 1,200. So divide both sides by 6 times 1,200. So therefore, the value of n is, divide first, reduce to lowest term. So we can cancel the two zeros. So we only have 18 and 12. Or we can divide this 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6, that is equal to 3. And then for 12, we can cancel 12 in 8. Divide both by 4. 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3. Okay, so we will still have 3 in the numerator and then 3 in the denominator. So we can cancel this. So what's left is 10 and 2 in the numerator. So therefore, multiply this 10 times 2, that is equal to 20. Therefore, the correct answer is letter A. We need 20 workers. So assuming all workers work at the same rate. Okay? So that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. See you on another math tutorial. Bye-bye and God bless.